actor Ananya Pandey, NCB team visits Shah Rukh's residence Mannat as well. NCB team to serve summons to Chunky Pandey's daughter Ananya Pandey have asked her to appear before the NCB office at 2 p.m. in Mumbai. Raids are being conducted at Ananya Pandey's residence by the NCB. So that's the fresh information we have as of now. I'm trying to connect to my colleague Bhavtosh to get us more, but as of now, NCB team is at the residence of Shah Rukh Khan in Mumbai and also at the residence of Ananya Pandey, Bollywood actor. Her residence is being raided as well, and we are getting to know that ED summons are being issued to Ananya Pandey. So a team of the Narcotics Control Bureau arrives at the residence of actor Ananya Pandey. A team of NCB is also present at Shah Rukh Khan's residence. So this is the latest information that we are getting here. So NCB team is currently visiting these two residences. One of actor Shah Rukh Khan, whose son Aryan Khan is implicated in a drug haul case, and Ananya Pandey. This is a fresh information coming in that Ananya Pandey is now summoned. She is being asked to appear before the ED at 2 p.m. today. So Ananya Pandey will have to appear before the ED office at 2 p.m. in Mumbai. Raids at Ananya Pandey's residence by the NCB, and the team is also at Shah Rukh Khan's residence at Mannat in Mumbai. So this is the big news we are breaking at this moment. NCB is currently conducting raids at Ananya Pandey's residence. Daughter of Chunky Pandey, a newcomer in Bollywood whose debut was with the movie Student of the Year in Karan Johar's movie. Ananya Pandey is now under the ED scanner. Summons have been issued to her. Ananya has been asked to appear before the NCB office at 2 p.m. today. In fact, the NCB team is also at Shah Rukh's residence. So at two locations, the NCB team has decided to visit today. One is the residence of Chunky Pandey and her daughter Ananya Pandey. The other team is at the residence of Shah Rukh Khan. Ananya Pandey is being served summons to appear before the ED at 2 p.m. today. Well, we are still waiting for more clarity to come in on what basis, on what leads NCB is conducting the raids at Ananya Pandey's residence. But yes, of course, we did have some indication that more Bollywood actors' names might surface after the interrogation that was conducted with the accused in the Mumbai drug haul case. NCB zonal director has told Mirror Now that the team is visiting Mannat, and also says that no searches or raids at SRK's residence. Sameer Wankhede has revealed to Mirror Now that we are not conducting any raid or searches. We just needed some documents in Aryan's case to be picked, so we did that. So there is no raid in SRK's residence. Let's make it absolutely clear. This is a clarity that has come from the NCB, that this is a visit to actually procure some documents. It's not a raid, but then in the case of Ananya Pandey, is the NCB team there conducting raids? Let's get some clarity from Santya, who's joining us on the phone line. Yes, Santya, over to you to tell us more about these raids that are going on. In fact, the NCB is clarifying that in SRK's place, it's just a visit to procure some documents. But what about Ananya Pandey's residence? Why is the NCB team there?
So, talking about both of these people here, first talking about Aryan Khan and presence of NCB team at Mannat, which is residence of Shah Rukh Khan and his family. So NCB officers have clearly told it to Mirror Now that this is not a raid or a search. This is a routine operation where the team of NCB has gone to Mannat in order to collect some documents related to Aryan Khan for this case. So this should not be called a raid or a a search. So we are clarifying it once again that this is not a raid or a search at Mannat.
Okay, we lost the line with Sandhya. Also, I was wanting to know whether the indication that came in about a newbie, a newcomer in Bollywood, also under ED radar, is Ananya Pandey. Then that name that was supposed to be revealed later, because she fits into that description. She is a newcomer. She's acted in a couple of movies, but by all means, yes, she fits the description of the newcomer actress that we were given an indication is also going to be questioned. ED has issued summons to Ananya Pandey. She will have to appear before the ED office in Mumbai by 2 p.m. Meanwhile, the NCB zonal director has made a clarification to Mirror Now that the team is visiting SRK's residence not for any raid or search, but simply to get some documents. Because remember, Aryan Khan is in judicial custody. His bail was rejected by the NDPS Special Court yesterday. The NCB team is there to get some documents for the Aryan Khan case. So these are two separate instances. In the case of Ananya Pandey, we are yet to get a final clarity on whether raids and searches are being conducted there or not. But yes, the NCB team is now present at the residences of Shah Rukh Khan and Ananya Pandey in Mumbai. Let's take a short break here. News and updates continue on the other side. Stay with Mirror.